and I just love mango. Hi guys, it's me Johanvi and welcome to my channel. So it's officially the mango season and I thought let's make some drinks from the Pinterest. So मैंने Pinterest से 4 recipes उठाई है and we are going to recreate that, try it कि कैसा लगता है. We are just gonna make everything from mango and I just love mango. Anyone who is mango fan do comment. और मैं हमेशा mango ऐसे ही खाती हूँ हर सीजन में. So I thought let's make something from it. और इस बार 4 drinks बनाने वाले हैं from Pinterest. So let's start without any further ado because बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है यहाँ पे. So yeah, let's start the video with the first drink, that is Mango Mojito.
Whenever I go in a cafe, I always order mojito. So this time I thought mango mojito is a fun idea. So I tried this recipe where I had to add mango, sugar and lime juice and then grind it nicely. After that I just had to place everything in the bowl. So starting with the lemon and some pudina, I had to crush it and then add some ice and basil seeds and little bit of mango concentrate, and after that I added some soda. You can always add Sprite if you want. Lastly, I added one mango stick that was frozen and it came out to be too good. After trying the mojito, it came out to be perfect. I just loved it. If someone gives this to me on a hot summer day, it would be the perfect drink for me. And also I wish someone had this on their menu because it was so perfect. But you have to drink it fast because after some time it was just blah.
Okay, so let's move ahead and we are going to make the second recipe, that is mango sago. So let's start.
So the first time I saw mango sago was on Instagram and it looked so fancy and so cute. So this time I thought let's try this and let's see how it tastes. So I just made the mango puree. Here we had to use condensed milk and coconut milk, but I didn't had that, so I just used regular milk and just some sugar. Also for the sabudana I just soaked it overnight and boiled it, and that's it. Then you have to just mix everything with ice and I just sprinkle on some coconut flakes and it was ready. Then I just mixed it a little bit and after that I tried it. After trying it, I just had one opinion that it was mango milkshake with sabudana. I liked the texture as it was chewy and the coconut flakes were also doing their part. But I think I should have used coconut milk and little bit of coconut jelly. That would have made a whole difference. But I love this one as well. It was so good. I love the sabudana texture in it and I might make this again sometime. So for this mango pineapple slushy, you need 1 bowl of frozen mango and also 1 bowl of frozen pineapple, and it was so simple that you just had to mix it with some ice and water. And at this point I was just struggling to take mango out of the bowl, but I did it anyways, and then I just added the ice. And at this point I was just afraid that I don't break my blender because it was so scary, but anyhow it did it and it was looking so cute. Just look at it, so perfect color and so nice texture. I just added this in the glass and it was looking so yummy, and the presentation was also so much good that I just loved it.
इसमें स्लशी लिखा था, तो अभी हम लोग मैंगो स्लशी ट्राई कर लेते हैं कि कैसी बनी है.
So here I was just posing for the thumbnail and it was looking so good that I had to do that. And यहाँ पे मैं बोल रही थी ये इतना अच्छा दिख रहा है कि मुझे खाने का ही मन नहीं कर रहा है, but I had to try it, so let's do that. So I thought this was like mango and pineapple gola and it was so good. ये इतना अच्छा लगा मुझे कि इसको मैं ऐसे आइसक्रीम की तरह पूरा खा सकती हूँ, एंड इसको एक्सप्लेन भी नहीं कर पा रही थी मैं अच्छे से आपको, बट ये आप ज़रूर ट्राई कीजिए बिकॉज दोनों का टेस्ट इक्वली आ रहा था एंड ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, लाइक फुल्ली समर अप्रोप्रिएट था.
हाय गाइस, सो 3 रेसिपी बनाते बनाते मेरी हालत हो गई है ख़राब. अब मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है मैं किचन से कब निकलूँ. बस एक लास्ट ड्रिंक बाकी है जो है मैंगो मस्तानी, एंड वो भी मुझे ट्राई तो करनी ही है. सो वो बना के ही जाएंगे अब.
सो ये वाली ड्रिंक भी मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं की थी, सो आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड. आई एक्चुअली वांटेड टू मेक मैंगो माचा, बट हमारे पास माचा नहीं था, इसलिए आई स्विच टू मैंगो मस्तानी, बट इट वाज आल्सो लुकिंग सो कूल. सो स्टार्टिंग विद द प्यूरे, आई हैड to to add vanilla ice cream to it, and then just had to assemble the glass, that is by adding some mango, tutti frutti, little bit of ice cream, and then mango puree. So after trying this, I just loved it. No words for this one because it was the best that I have had. Of course, it had so much of calories in it because I added so much ice cream in it, but it was so good. If you like want to impress someone, you can just make this for them and it will be so cool. And now, if I had to rate the four drinks, the first one will be Mango Mastani, of course. The second one I loved was Pineapple Mango Sorbet, and the third one would be Mango Sago and Mango Mojito. Both were great. That's all for mango recipes. Do try it.